April 16. So I've been writing him daily letters, gyud, and I have not stopped. So and he told me that from time to time he does go over them when he gets lonely. And so kato, when I visit him tomorrow, at least I can update him nga naamo na nandito kayo lahat ngayon. So I'm sure that he will be very happy and grateful to hear it. Again, daghan kayong salamat sa inyo. Ayun, I will not make this very long na kay I know that all of you are busy also. And gabi na pod, so mga tulog na tatanan. Actually, nagakulot na ni akong buhok diri sa taas kay pasabot ana haggard na pod ko, no? Katugon na pod ko. Pero daghang salamat sa inyo. Dili na ko magtagalog kay mabash na sa daan eh. Dili magud ko hawd, pero ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo, and I wanted to show up today to show my appreciation for your unwavering loyalty and support and love for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Daghang salamat gyud sa inyo, and I hope dili ta muundang hantod sa makauli siya, because kita lang ang iyang hope. No, kada gabi when he is about to sleep, he told me that all he does, sometimes he looks by the window and he thinks of all the people that love him and all the people that he loves. So, mga kababayan ko, let us keep my Dada Rudy, your Tatay Digong, let us keep him going. Salamat sa inyo.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
And of course, all of us at the
Bring
Hague.
him home! Bring him home!
All of us at the Hague.
Bigay mo lang.
Bigay mo na yung flowers.
Sayro at Netherlands.
Okay, photo op, photo op.
Ready dito po ito po. Ay, ayaw mo pag-iat.
1, 2, 3. Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Naku, lagi gulo. Nausap mo ito. 1, 2, 3.